I'm flossing in my Civic. I'm riding in my.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSCR10 and you tune in for another one. This video, we opening up this package and I'm gonna show you and tell you how you can save money on this product. Let's get into it. Alright, y'all. So it's your boy LSCR10 man, here with another video. We got a package. Package has in and touchdown, and it's pretty awesome. So what we got here is a brown box. The unit that is inside this box is going to be awesome for all my enthusiasts, my racing enthusiasts. You probably done heard of the product. If you haven't heard of the product, this is Draggy. I had to kind of throw it off. I didn't know what they were on. Like, really? Y'all ain't gonna put it in no nice packaging? So yeah, it's Draggy from Draggy Motorsports. Let's say www.godraggy.com. So we're gonna open it up. So if you don't know about Draggy goes for the price of $150. You might be able to catch it on sale. It's pretty small. Like, I can pretty much cup it in my hands. So basically what Draggy does is it will record your times as far as 0 to 60, quarter mile, eighth mile. Let's see what else. So you get 2 mountain plates. There are magnets that are built into the device. The way that it's able to track your times is because it connects to a satellite, GPS, and from there, after you mount it in the vehicle, so you put the plate using a 3M adhesive. You mount it in your car, dash, trunk. I mean, some people put it in different places. It will connect to the car, because the car is metal. And from there, you pretty much are able to mount it and go from there. You connect it to your smartphone. It does work with Apple and Android. And then you pretty much do everything else through the app. I didn't open it as early as I was expecting to, so that I could give y'all the actual real world review, but that's coming next. So of course, this is, from what I've heard, this is very, very accurate. It's just like going to the track as far as the times. Of course, the track conditions are going to be a little bit different, but you are able to get an idea of what you will run at the track based off of this device in your vehicle. So it connects to the satellites. Once you connect it to the phone, it's going to be able to tell you like your speed. Also, it's going to tell you the Draggy status. There's also a social network connected with the Draggy, and everything like that. It does use Bluetooth 4.0. Like I said, you can use it with iOS and Android. Power is 200 milliwatts. The battery life lasts for 8 to 10 hours. Charging time is 1.5. It charges via the micro USB port right there on the back. A cable is included with your Draggy when you buy it. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and charge mine up. That way tomorrow for me, in a second for y'all. You know what I'm saying? We'll be able to see exactly how it works. So, like I said, I heard a lot of good things about the product, man, and I look forward to using it. LSCR Nation is an affiliate for Draggy, so I will be putting the link to order your Draggy down in the description box. And of course, you know we got a code LSCR10, man. Save you 10% off your Draggy. So make sure that you use the affiliate code. If it's something that you're interested in, you know, of course, some proceeds go to helping the channel and everything. But yeah, I haven't used it yet, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be worth it. I heard a lot of great things about it. So let's get into it.
All right, so you had to know better than to think I was gonna see, than to let y'all see what the Draggy was gonna do in the goddamn colors. That's like me showing y'all. That's like me showing y'all my fucking time slips. No. All right, so. Also, yeah. So what I did, I put the Draggy right here. Bing bong. Start up the vehicle. Copyright. So then to connect the Draggy, go to the Draggy app, connect it. It's gonna start blinking. It's gonna say it's ready. It's gonna send some satellite data and go from there. Got everything?
Yeah.
Those satellites. You got the option of the roof. I will open on the roof. Turn there and then back down. Yeah, you think sweeter. Alright, so as you can see, it monitors everything pretty much. And you can reset it and then do it all over again. You can choose which settings that it tracks. I think I have like 0 to 60, 1/8 mile, and 1/4 mile selected. So those are the 3 things that it picks up or whatnot. Now, of course, this is for, like, you know, when you're
1/4 mile.
hard accelerating, not necessarily dropping the kid off at school. But I did want to show you how it works, etc., like that. So what's going on? So yeah, man, if you want to get your own Dragon, man, code LSCR10 link is gonna be down in the description. And then you too can find out, you know, what your 1/4 mile, 1/8 mile, 0 to 60 times are. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy LSCR10 Remember, identify your weaknesses, make your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. I remember that the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop.